Model Triangles by Tommy Williams. This is my introduction about truss bridges. Truss bridges is one of the oldest and most common types of bridges. A bridge in which the loads are supported by the trusses. A structure of connected elements forming triangular units, and they are also economical to construct owing to its efficient use of materials. In which time? Triangles is one of the basic shapes. It has 3 vertices, sides, and points. It is also a polygon with the least possible number of sides. Bridges. There are 3 main types of bridges. The first one is the truss bridges. It is a structure composed of triangular units. Arch bridges. They have a flat beam at top, below, which is an arc-shaped structure supported at both the ends. Suspension bridges is a type of bridge which is suspended from cables above the water path. Slope is a surface of which one end or side is at a higher level than another. Architect is a person who designs buildings and often supervises the construction. Engineer, a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. Tension, to apply a force to something that tends to stretch it. Science time. Why are triangles used in truss bridges? The first reason why is because of its rigidity. A triangle it has 3 sides and 3 angles. Therefore, each angle is held solidly in place by the side opposite it, without changing its shape. Forces. When a force is applied to a triangle, the resulting pressure is directed sideways rather than down. This means that sides of the triangle are in either compression or tension, and that there is no bending movement. Science time. What are bridges composed of? They are composed of both steel and concrete. Steel because it is strong in tension and compression, which makes suspension bridges practical. Concrete, because concrete bridges have steel reinforcement embedded within the concrete, because concrete is weak in tension. How much weight can a truss bridge hold? A truss bridge can typically hold around 9,000 pounds, but this will also depend on what kind of holding structure the truss bridge has. History and architecture time. Pratt Truss Bridge. It is invented by Thomas and Caleb Pratt in 1844. Originally built with iron. It includes vertical members and diagonal that slopes down towards the center, the opposite of the whole truss, the howe truss. Can be extended up to 250 feet, therefore it is commonly used as a railway bridge. These two are the person who invented the Pratt bridge. This is a 2D model of the Pratt bridge. The Allen Truss Bridge is named after Percy Allen, a famous Australian architect and engineer who designed the bridge. The bridge consists of vertical and diagonal arrangements of trusses which are originally composed of steel. Today, many of the bridges based on Percy Allen's design are composed of iron, bark, or timber to reduce the cost. The first bridge to be built based on Percy Allen's design is in New South Wales, Australia, called the Hampton Bridge. Down here is the Hampton Bridge, and over here is a picture of Percy Allen. Howe Truss Bridge. It's a basic design on which many engineers give modifications. First designed by William Howe in 1840, consists of diagonal and vertical trusses. Patented in 1840 by Massachusetts millwright William Howe. J Bridge in New York is based on Howe's design. And this is a picture of William Howe and the truss bridge. Tower was designed by and named after French engineer Gustave Eiffel. Built as the entrance to the 1889 Composition Universal, the Paris World Fair held to celebrate the centenary of the French Revolution. It's now 120 years old as of 2012. Made of 2.5 million rivets, 15,000 pieces of iron, and 40 tons of paint. The city of Paris currently owns the Eiffel Tower. This is a picture of the French engineer Gustave Eiffel, and this is the Eiffel Tower. And this is my Migdow.
Good job. Tying triangles to engineering. Truss bridges. Very important, obviously, for travel. Before that, it was difficult for people to be as mobile, right? Now we can cross larger spans. So it's an important part of history. Nice tying with the Eiffel Tower as well. Some truss bridges tend to be a little more rectangular, and Eiffel did something very artistic and elegant with the design. So, nice.